morning. Welcome to pre-market report for 16th of November 2022. So before moving to our pre-market report, so let me show you our course details for option trading. So this is our website www.dtradingclass.com that you can find join premium courses and click on this. So here we have a complete advanced option trading course and much more courses are lined up. It has to come, and here so excellent course contents are available right from the basics options to advanced option trading techniques, and we have a complete video for algo system. Okay, so do download dTrader app. Is available for Android right now, and soon we'll release for iOS. Is in process. Make use of this excellent opportunity and start learning and enter into a trade. So here, so currently it is available with the offer of 1,500 rupees offer is there, and here so flat discount of 2,565 rupees you can get this course, and this is for lifetime access. Please make use of it. Thank you. So we'll move on to the pre-market report. So yesterday, XGS Nifty made a high of around 18,592. Okay, then made a low of 18,411, and currently it is trading around 18,471. So if you see, every day XGS Nifty is showing around 100 points or 150 points of gap up. But our market, it is not at all following XGS Nifty. It is behaving differently. Our market yesterday closed around 18,403. That is the last, I think, last minute it has came up. Because yesterday it has made a low around 18,294 or 280. And then the last minute it came up. Okay. So if you see the stochastic RSI market is like almost in overbought zone, I think so. Maybe may go for another sometime again, but it will come back. This is what it looks like if you see the chart here. So maybe it may go for further or like this region particularly, it may go this region and it may come back. That is what the charts are showing. Expected to open maybe today 50 or 60 points of gap up and proceeding further. By Thursday, the weekly expiry, it may fall. This is what my expectation. But hope the market should break all-time high, because it is almost crossed many resistance levels. So like this, these three resistance levels, it has crossed, and it has to like break the all-time high. That is what it means. You can see here. This two resistance level is already broken. Okay, it's already has broken. So these levels, so it has to reach all-time high, which is very, very closer. Okay, so another 200 points if it is moving, then it may break the all-time high. This is case of Nifty. And if you look at to Bank Nifty also very similar again, but it shows a bullish view. You can see almost Bank Nifty already crossed all-time high and going to break this. So we'll see 43,000 soon in Bank Nifty. When you can see, it shows a bullish view. Both RSI as well as stochastic RSI indicators is showing bullish view. Sure, you can see Bank Nifty is going to break all-time high even today. So this is what about today's market. And like if you the next target will be the 43,000, and in Nifty again it may trade between 18,300 to 18,600. if you look at the open interest for Nifty, see both call option as well as put option, they have started return and unwinding. It's a mix, purely it is mixed. Okay, so every day if it is gap up, then it may fall for some point, 50 to 60 points. Again, it may come back. So likewise, it is trading, and you can here like both call option and put option. They bought call option up to 18,600. So people think like after reaching all-time high, this may go down. So that is what people expectation. Hope that is what even like my expectation also, because it looks like that in open interest. And if you see Bank Nifty, they bought call option up to 43,100. So the concept behind this one will be, so after all-time high, that is a 43,000. So maybe Bank Nifty or Nifty may reach up to this level and it may fall. Okay, so that is what their expectation. After this level, this may falls for some time, and from here it may reverse the direction. So this is what it looked like. Okay, so if you see intraday level, you have some the support and resistance will be like you can see in intraday level. The immediate support, so immediate resistance will be 42,500 and support will be 42,000. Then after that it may go, but this level particularly after reaching 42,500, it's sustaining, then it may go for 43,000. Okay, so Nifty and Bank Nifty. So yesterday I kept a separate video on REC Limited. You can watch out in our content. Okay. So hope you enjoy watching this video. Do subscribe our channel, press the bell icon so that you will get a regular updates. And account opening links are given in description. You can make use of it. Thank you.